Welcome. If you've been facing issues with calls on the Telegram app on your PC, don't worry. We're going to walk through some simple steps to fix that problem. Whether it's a connectivity issue or something with the app itself, these steps should help you get your Telegram calls working again. Let's dive in. First, try the simplest fix. Close the Telegram app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes just restarting the app can resolve any glitches. If that doesn't work, the next step is to log out from your account and log back in. Here's how to do it. Click on the three lines at the top left corner to open the menu. Then, click Settings, followed by the three dots at the top right of the Settings menu. Now select Log Out. After logging out, you'll need to enter your phone number again. Enter the verification code that you received on your phone to log back in. If logging out didn't help, let's try restarting your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve a lot of app-related issues. Press the Windows icon on your keyboard and click on the mouse power icon. Select Shutdown and wait for about 30 seconds. After that, press the power button to turn your PC back on and launch Telegram again. Another thing you can try is connecting to a different network. Sometimes network issues can affect Telegram's performance. Click on the network icon in the notifications area of your taskbar. Choose a different network and reconnect to see if that helps. If that doesn't fix it, let's check your internet connection. So, make sure your network is stable. Click on the network icon in the notifications area. Check your connection to ensure it's working properly. Finally, if none of the above steps worked, try uninstalling and reinstalling the Telegram app. Press the Windows icon, type Uninstall app, and select the option to uninstall the app. Find Telegram. Click on the three dots next to it and choose Uninstall. After uninstalling, open the Microsoft Store by searching for it in the Start menu. Type Telegram in the search bar and click Install to reinstall the app. With these steps, you should be able to fix the call issues on Telegram. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.